How to add HS codes to Shopify. So here from the left hand side, we want to go to the products page and then choose the product which you want to add an HS code for. I'm going to do this phone case as an example here. And then once we're taken to our product edit page, we want to scroll down until we see the option for shipping. And first you have to make sure that this is a physical product. So just check this box and set the weight for your product. After that, we have to click on add customs information. And then here we will need to choose the country or region of origin. And then here's where we actually add the HS code. So right here, you type out your HS code, harmonized system code, and then all you have to do is click on save, and that's how you add an HS code to your Shopify product. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.